Hi, I'm Kelson here with Ceiling Ease Cleaning. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install one of our air diffusers. What will be included in the kit, it's going to be 3 different tiers, 4 speed nuts, 4 legs, 4 extenders, 4 buttons, as well as a center button. You will also be needing a 1/2-inch wrench to go with this project. Alright, let's get this started. Alright, so the first part of installing our air diffuser, have all of our pieces on our bottom tier. Just going to put it off to the side for now. I'm going to grab our middle tier, and we'll go ahead and move the bottom tier as well out of the way. We're just going to start off with this middle tier, and we'll go ahead and grab our 4 legs as well as our 4 extenders. What we're going to be doing is be taking one of each, and you'll notice on your legs one side is threaded, the other side is not. So we'll be using the threaded side right now to attach these two through each one of these holes in our middle tier. And the easiest way to do that is to turn it sideways, and you're going to put your extender on the inner part and our leg on the outer part, and we're simply going to screw them together nice and easy. Now keep in mind, these are plastic, so you can't tighten them too much because they will break, but we do want them snug, and you want to somewhat line them up so they're pointed towards our corner of our tier. You do this with all 4. With it facing flat down, we'll grab our top tier, line up the 4 corners with our 4 legs, have it so they're sticking out of the holes. The next thing we're going to do is grab our 4 speed nuts as well as our 1/2-inch wrench, and we'll be putting those on right now. Easiest way to do it, simply place it on top. Grab your wrench. I have a socket wrench right now, which makes it a little easier. Simply going to push down and let it get in there. Once again, this is a plastic appliance, so we're making it snug, but we're not tightening the dickens out of it because it will break. And you'll see just like that. And we're going to go ahead and do that to the next 4. Alright, now that these have all been fastened, secured, nice and snug, go ahead and turn the whole thing around, having our second tier facing us again. And go ahead and grab our first tier. It should still have our 4 buttons as well as our center button in there again. Now, before we attach it to the rest, move those 4 buttons off to the side. So we're going to take our center button, place it in there nicely. And then we'll go ahead and line up our 4 corners with our 4 extenders there. And grab our 4 buttons and place them in. Simply pushing them down nice and firmly. And once you got that last button in there, maybe straighten this guy up a little bit. You'll find that the middle tier as well as the top tier do somewhat move. You want to make sure the corners are lined up as best as possible. And once you've done that, you have a completed product. The next step is going to be putting it up into your ceiling.